Hi, and welcome to this Under the Mistletoe colouring tutorial for Penny Black. Begin by preparing your card base. Die cut a square and the heart cutouts using the hearts in a circle and holly frame dies, using the Festive and Frosty papers. Then add dimensional foam pads to the back. Die cut a stitched snowflake square and label from Rose Garden card. Then layer all the elements onto your card base. Stamp the sentiment using Memento ink from the Under the Mistletoe stamp set onto a scrap piece of white card. Attach the stamped sentiment onto the label and then put foam pads on the reverse and add to your card. Using classic cherry enamel accents, add 2 little dots to either side. Stamp the 2 dogs using Memento Tuxedo Black ink onto white card. Add shadows to both of the Santa's hats using the Plum Chameleon pencil, applying a reasonably firm amount of pressure. Using the crimson red chameleon pen, place the mixing chamber on the brush nib end and fuse for 5 seconds. Then colour from the lighter area out towards the pencil dark area, blending in with the pencil as you go. Take the caramel pen and colour the shaded areas of the dog without fusing. Then fuse the brush nib of the caramel pen for 8 seconds and colour from light to dark. Then take the ginger pencil and enhance the shaded areas. Then go over again with the caramel pen to blend in the new pencil colour added. Swap to the cinnamon pen and colour in the other dog using exactly the same techniques for the first dog. Use the bullet nib of the crimson red pen to add shadows to the edges of the dog collars. Then fuse the pen for 3 seconds and colour in the remaining areas of the dog collar. Then add further detail using the plum pencil. Take the warm grey pencil and add shadow to the fur on the hat. Also add texture with tiny flicks. Use the cream pencil and the Mellow Yellow pen to add colour to the buckle and the disc. Use the evergreen pen without fusing to colour part of the leaves and then fuse for 3 seconds and blend in the darker area into the lighter areas. Fussy cut around both images, leaving a small border, and add foam pads to the rear. Then attach to the centre of your card. Finish off by adding white opal dots from liquid pearls to the berries. Here is a list of all the materials used on this project. Thanks for watching.